Factorize the following: a square plus 8a plus 16, a square 8a, we have to write it as 4a plus 4a plus 16 as it is. 4a plus 4a, 8a. Here 2 to group. Here take a as common. A plus 4 remains, plus here 4 common. A plus 4 4s are 16. A plus 4, a plus 4, again take common. A plus 4, therefore a plus 4, a plus 4 same. A plus 4 whole square is answer.